Hi everyone. Today, this is Elizabeth Moore. Sorry, I should probably introduce myself. And again, my signal is telling me it is weak, but we're going to try and push through this and get it done. So since yesterday we talked about when to use heat versus ice, today I'm going to show you some really cool tricks to make your own heating pad and two different versions of making an ice pack that you can make out of stuff that you probably already have in your house. So first one, Ziploc bag. And then what's in this one is rubbing alcohol and water. So the ratio is like 1 part rubbing alcohol to either 2 or 3 parts water. So I think in this one I did a 1/2 cup of rubbing alcohol and a 1.5 cups of water. The benefit of doing the rubbing alcohol is so that it freezes, but it doesn't freeze solid. So then you can, it'll conform to whatever you're icing. So make sure you have a barrier, as always. But yeah, it gets super duper cold. So my hands are freezing right now. But then it becomes more of like a slushy consistency. So it's not, like a bag of ice where you can't get it, completely flush against the skin. Or, like a bag of vegetables, we often say too. But again, that doesn't completely conform to the skin as well. So this is a great option. I love this one. So the second one is, and now it's kind of all messed up, but here, can you see it? All right, so what is this? This is dish soap. It's just straight up dish soap. So this has been out for a little bit now, so it's not as solid as it was. But if you're looking for something that's more of like a gel texture, this is more of the gel texture. The other one I said was more of like it's kind of like a slushy kind of texture. So this is gonna be more gel. It's harder to get a lot of dish soap. So this one is, most people would use as a smaller one. So it's good, if you burn your finger, you can just kind of wrap it around. And, or like little people body parts. And both of these, I would definitely recommend double bagging them, because if for some reason it would open, that would just give you an extra layer of protection. The dish soap does not stay as cold as long as the other one will. But I mean, it's the same principle. It just, goes flush against the skin, and it's a great way to ice with something that you already have and super cheap. All right, so I'm almost a little bit embarrassed to show you guys my heating pad solution. This one takes a little bit extra work. I'm not a sewer in any means, but my mom helped me make this, but she made me sew it, so you can see like it is very poorly sewn. But yeah, so this is literally a washcloth. I don't even remember. It was probably $1 or something on clearance. I just bought one washcloth, sewed, these two together, put in a bag of rice, not instant rice. Depending on how big your heating pad is, that's going to depend on how much rice obviously you can fit in there, but you want a little bit of give so it can mold again to whatever body parts you're using it on. And then you can also put in like an essential oil, like lavender is really good if you ever use something like this for like a headache. Like I will usually put it on the back of my neck if I get a really bad headache ever. So then you just literally put this thing in the microwave. This one, I think I do like a minute, maybe a minute and a half. It gets pretty warm. So again, always make sure you have that barrier between this and the skin. I know it's hard to see in this lighting, but yeah, and again, it's super easy, and if you sew, I guess. Cheap, super cheap, and super effective. So I hope you found these helpful, and I guess that's it for today. All right, hope you have a great rest of the day. Thank you.